Et c'est dans ce logis étroit et lugubre qu'il entasse les nouvelles marchandises qui devraient, selon les messages publicitaires omniprésents, lui apporter le bonheur et la plénitude. Mais plus il accumule des marchandises, et plus la possibilité d'accéder un jour au bonheur s'éloigne de lui. La marchandise, idéologique par essence, dépossède de son travail celui qui la produit et dépossède de sa vie celui qui la consomme. Dans le système économique dominant, ce n'est plus la demande qui conditionne l'offre, mais l'offre qui détermine la demande. C'est ainsi que de manière périodique, de nouveaux besoins sont créés qui sont vite considérés comme des besoins vitaux par l'immense majorité de la population. Ce fut d'abord la radio, puis la voiture, la télévision, l'ordinateur et maintenant le téléphone portable. Toutes ces marchandises, distribuées massivement en un laps de temps très limité, modifient en profondeur les relations humaines. Elles servent d'une part à isoler les hommes un peu plus de leurs semblables et d'autre part à diffuser les messages dominants du système. Les choses qu'on possède finissent par nous posséder.
You people and 62 million other Americans are listening to me right now because less than 3% of you people read books. Because less than 15% of you read newspapers. Because the only truth you know is what you get over this tube. Right now, there is an entire generation that never knew anything that didn't come out of this tube. This tube is the gospel, the ultimate revelation. This tube can make or break presidents, popes, prime ministers. This tube is the most awesome goddamn force in the whole godless world. And woe is us if it ever falls into the hands of the wrong people. And when the 12th largest company in the world controls the most awesome goddamn propaganda force in the whole godless world, who knows what shit will be peddled for truth on this network. So you listen to me. Listen to me. Television is not the truth. Television is a goddamn amusement park. Television is a circus, a carnival, a traveling troupe of acrobats, storytellers, dancers, singers, jugglers, sideshow freaks, lion tamers, and football players. We're in the boredom-killing business. So if you want the truth, go to God. Go to your gurus. Go to yourselves. Because that's the only place you're ever going to find any real truth. Man, you're never going to get any truth from us. We'll tell you anything you want to hear. We lie like hell. We'll tell you that Kojak always gets the killer and that nobody ever gets cancer in Archie Bunker's house. And no matter how much trouble the hero is in, don't worry, just look at your watch. At the end of the hour, he's going to win. We'll tell you any shit you want to hear. We deal in illusions, man. None of it is true. But you people sit there day after day, night after night, all ages, colors, creeds. We're all you know. You're beginning to believe the illusions we're spinning here. You're beginning to think that the tube is reality and that your own lives are unreal. You do whatever the tube tells you. You dress like the tube. You eat like the tube. You raise your children like the tube. You even think like the tube. This is mass madness, you maniacs. In God's name, you people are the real thing. We are the illusion. So turn off your television sets. Turn them off now. Turn them off right now. Turn them off and leave them off. Turn them off right in the middle of the sentence I'm speaking to you now. Turn them off.